स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने।
Today we have started in Goa through our various departments of health, urban development, town and country planning, and also forest. We have asked, and we will be a part of a massive mission where we are taking the vision of the Prime Minister on encouraging people to join the movement of Swachh Bharat. Today, whether it's a PHC, CHC, or it's a sub-health center, rural medical dispensary, whether it's a forest in different parts of the forest, and wherever we are able to take this vision forward, encourage people, create awareness, we are going to have this function. It's not only a mere function, it's like it's a mindset that has to be created among the people. So all the departments headed by me and vision of the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji will be carrying out this at all levels. Also in my own constituency, we have encouraged through a competition. We are trying to see that the youth get involved in a very big way this year. This Swachh Bharat will only be a slogan, but it has actually turned into reality, and we are so proud to be able to participate in this Swachh Bharat movement.